OPPO officially launched their latest smartphone today, the OPPO Reno 4, and we're here to check the unit out for ourselves. This is our unboxing and first look at the much-awaited OPPO Reno 4. Before we go into it, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so as we're bound to release more gaming, geek, and tech lifestyle news for you guys. Hit the notification bell as well so you know when we've uploaded a new video. With that out of the way, my name is Colin and let's get on with this unboxing video. The OPPO Reno 4 follows the packaging aesthetics of the OPPO Reno 3. Color motif of green and blue are scattered as well and contrast with the long, thin, and sleek box design of the OPPO Reno and OPPO Reno 2 boxes. The OPPO Reno 4 follows the super chonky box of OPPO Reno 3. Yes folks, it looks like they opted to continue the OPPO Reno 3's rather questionable packaging aesthetic. Out of the box, the OPPO Reno 4 sports a space black colorway. Additionally, the Reno 4 also comes in glacier blue for those who want a more colorful look and feel to their new OPPO handset. Adding to this would be the standard jelly case, USB Type-C, and a 30-watt Super VOOC flash charger capable of charging the OPPO Reno 4 up to 50% in about 20 minutes time. The standard jelly case is a far cry from the premium plant leather or pleather case of the OPPO Reno 2. Oh well. Aside from that, you get your typical SIM ejector tool and necessary pamphlets and papers as well. Design-wise, the OPPO Reno 4 follows the design aesthetics of the Reno 3. This was when they shifted their once iconic center focus design, where the various elements such as the camera modules, OPPO O-ring, logo, and phone name are aligned right through the center, giving the phone a beautiful symmetry, and opted for a more conventional camera and logo placements that we see in a lot of smartphones. The camera modules for the OPPO Reno 4 can be found on the leftmost side of the phone's rear profile, and the branding of OPPO is found diagonally adjacent at the lower right-hand corner. However, despite not having what I believe is the better OPPO Reno design, which is the Reno 2, the color detailing on the OPPO Reno 4 is nothing short of amazing. On paper, they may read quite mundane because you're getting another black variant and a blue variant, colors that we've seen in a lot of smartphones at this time. But the treatment on the OPPO Reno 4 is impressive. We got ourselves a space black, and what I thought would be just a standard black phone turned out to be this shimmering, almost deep night sky luminescent black treatment. This adds shimmer of dark blue which appears quite translucent when reflected under light. Additionally, the lower part of the cover reveals a unique OPPO monogram that adds a bit of drama to an otherwise supposedly plain colorway. The Galactic Blue, on the other hand, supposedly has a special finish called the Reno Glow, which provides a matte finish with subtle glittering details. And while there are no glitters here on the space black, the rear surprisingly is resistant to fingerprint smudges despite its odd lustrous or shiny look. The paint job is gorgeous and adds a premiumness to it. Towards the side bezels, you'll find the power button and the volume rocker. As you go down, you're greeted with the USB Type-C port, speaker grills, and a 3.5mm combo jack. Firing up the OPPO Reno 4, you're greeted with a gorgeous 6.4-inch AMOLED screen with a 90.7% screen-to-body ratio. Sure, it's not a full view screen as it was with the Reno 1 and 2. We also do not have a pop-up front-facing camera contraption anymore. What we have in place though is a very small, very petite dual punch hole camera module. Because of this, binge watching on your favorite movies on Netflix, looping twice videos on YouTube, or playing your favorite mobile games gives you a pretty immersive experience. Audio is pretty loud as well, but it's best paired with an in-ear headset for maximum impact. The Reno series is where we first got a glimpse of OPPO's Ultra Stabilization mode, something that caught our fancy ever since the Reno 2 days. Continuing with tradition, the OPPO Reno 4 also has this functionality within its quad AI rear cameras. We're also looking at a 48MP main shooter, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP mono. On paper, this configuration doesn't seem much, but in practice, it was able to get decent photos and very clear videos. Again, thanks to the Ultra Stabilization mode of the OPPO Reno 4. Aside from those, the OPPO Reno 4 has various AI camera functionalities and video filter presets to open your creativity even further, like the AI color portraits and monochrome videos where the phone intelligently determines and tracks specific colors and make them pop while turning everything around it in black and white. Going back to Ultra Stabilization, the OPPO Reno 4 for the first time is bringing its stabilization algorithm to its front-facing camera. Yes folks, There's an electronic image stabilization for when you need to vlog. The front ultra steady video can work with most filters at both 30 FPS at 720p or 30 FPS at 1080p configuration. This truly maximizes the 32 megapixel front-facing camera of the OPPO Reno 4. Powering all of this is the updated Qualcomm Snapdragon mid-range chipset, the Snapdragon 720G. It seems counterintuitive that the 720G is a step up to the 730G, the chipset first used on the OPPO Reno 2. But despite the number discrepancy, the 720G actually improves a lot on the core functionalities and power consumptions of its predecessor. This enables the Reno 4 to be able to run most apps with ease. Pair this with 8 gigs of RAM and you're good to go. Running the Reno 4 is OPPO's proprietary Color OS operating system, riding on the backbone of Android 10. Added functionality with the Color OS 7 enables the Reno 4 to be more productive than before, like the floating apps mechanism. This enables you to switch between apps and really multitask at your convenience. Now, all of these tech will mean absolutely nothing if the device can't keep up. Luckily, the OPPO Reno 4 has 4015 mAh powers of battery with 30 watts VOOC quick charge capability. As mentioned, this allows you to top up around 50% of battery in just under 2 minutes. And that's it for this quick unboxing and initial look at the OPPO Reno 4. Let us know in the comment section down below your thoughts on this and if you feel this is a worthy contender in the sea of a lot of mid-rangers out there. To sum it all up, here's a quick snapshot of the specs. For more on the OPPO Reno 4, do check out ungeek.ph as we run more stories on it. And that's it for this really quick unboxing and our first look at the OPPO Reno 4. Again, this is Colin, and if you've watched until this point, maraming salamat po. I'll see you guys on the next one, and guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and as always, keep on gaming. Bye-bye.